Good morning and welcome. Today, we'll dive into the ISO 9001 Internal Auditor Certificate, focusing on practical audit skills from ISO 19011 to build your confidence in real-world audits. Let's get started. This course builds your confidence in planning, conducting, reporting, and following up internal audits, guiding you from uncertainty to a professional, structured approach. Here, you'll practice preparing detailed checklists, asking effective audit questions, and skillfully collecting and documenting evidence to enhance your auditing process. This course is grounded in ISO 19011 guidance, teaching you practical skills and key principles to confidently conduct professional, well-structured internal audits. This course is perfect for beginners, quality professionals, internal auditors, and anyone eager to quickly gain practical auditing skills. Gain practical skills to plan audits, record evidence, write clear findings, and present audit results with confidence. Now, let's move from theory to practice by actively applying audit skills in real work to improve audit quality and ensure effective follow-up actions. Thank you for your attention. Enroll today to start building your confidence as a professional internal auditor and take the next step in your growth.